Okay, welcome to how to install Deb C++ into your personal computer. To do this, you have to use a browser, Chrome UC browser or Opera Mini. Don't skip a step, just follow the steps and you're gonna get it right. First of all, you go to your browser. In this case, we're gonna use Opera Mini. You can use any one. Then go to the search bar and type what you see on the screen. Then you tap enter. When it displays, you have to pick source forge, the first one. I recommend this version for you. Then hit on the green icon, download it. This version is actually compatible with the kind of codes we're going to run on this tutorial. Next, when you installed it, you click yes. Next, you have to pick a language. Let's say you want to use English, French, German, any language you want to use, just pick it. In this case, I'm going to choose English. Then you click agree. It's very easy to install, and this version is very compatible to Windows 10. So as you can see, this version has numbering. Okay. Next is gonna be how to install Deb C++ into your Android. We use our Android almost every time, but we don't use our personal computers that often. So I'm going to teach you how to install it into your Android so that you can run any code, anytime, any day, anywhere, at any point in time. You can run it with your Android. You can verify any code you see online, on your notes, anywhere on the module. You can always run it. First of all, you have to go to your Google Play and then type sololearn, sololearn. Now we're going to install it. You accept and you let it install. Now let me show you why I say it is gonna be compatible with your Android to run this application. First, this application is good to run Java, Python, and even C++. I don't know of other ones. If you know other ones, you can put them on the comment section. Now you have to sign up. You can use Facebook or Google, Gmail. Click on the green icon and then pick. Next, we are going to run some codes. Hello world. Okay, let me see the next one. Let me run. This is how to install Deb C++ on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. For more of this tutorial, you have to watch other videos where I'm going to teach you how to run the basic codes, formula, and other important things as a student. If you're having difficulties programming, you don't have to worry, because the content of this videos are going to cover everything you need to know. And before the end of this tutorial, you're going to be able to code question we give you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. You can also share this video. If you don't understand any part of the video, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to it directly there. You can drop your email. I will send you the codes via your email as well.